Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with our card kit reveal and inspiration called Picnic Parade. This card kit is full of sunshine and happiness for your summer making cards, and I'm going to start off first with our 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Hello Sunshine. In the top here we have some really great messages that you can add to your cards. There are messages of encouragement at the top, and then we also have some dots that you can create a background with. There are some really fun sunshines, and you can put these together. This outline stamp also goes with a little circle down below. You can add the sunglasses or a happy face to that. Fun things you can put together. Also a great sun rays, messages, and then some stripes that you can create a great background with. Along with our 6x8, we're also including a 3x4 stamp set, and this is called Summertime Barbecue. It has a really fun kettle grill, a spatula, some hamburgers and hot dogs, and also barbecue. And on the side it says you're invited, so you can create some fun little invitations. This stamp set coordinates really well with the Doodlebug Barbecue set, and I'm going to pull out some stickers. There's 2 sheets of stickers here, and it has that kettle grill and all those little fun icons for your summer barbecuing. It includes aprons and soda pop bottles, and I'll show you the stamp set together next to that. They really coordinate well, so you can use them together. And you can't have a picnic parade without some ants. We're also including this pack of Doodlebug-shaped sprinkles. These are enamel ants and hearts. The papers for this kit are also from Doodlebug, so everything coordinates well together. So this first sheet is stripes, and then on the back side there are a whole set of ants. There are really great stripes, and on the back side, this is a tone-on-tone blue with all those icons. It's a really pretty blue. Here's a sheet of watermelon, and on the back side of this one is a really nice kind of a plaid green. This sheet is super fun. You can cut up all these little pieces and add them to your cards. And on the back side is a really beautiful blue plaid. The next sheet is lemons and lemonade on a really pretty teal blue. And the back side of that is yellow and white stripes. This next sheet is really interesting. You can cut these up and put them in a planner or just add your own messages and add those to your cards. And on the back side of that is a really fun polka dot in all those same colors. Then we have cherries on green and a white and red polka dot. This really beautiful plaid that shows all of those colors. And on the back side of that is some chicken and corn. This next sheet has those icons with your aprons and your chicken and your ketchup. Super fun. And on the back side of that is a nice blue and white polka dot. This next sheet has these fun small pieces that you can cut up and make tags. They all have small messages and the colors are perfect. The next sheet features hamburgers, hot dogs, ketchup, and mustard, and then also your classic picnic plaid on the back. And the last sheet features all the icons together, and it's really bright and cheery. So we have the trees and everything, and on the back side is a printed grass. So you get 12 sheets, double-sided, of 6x6 papers from Doodlebug. We're also introducing 2 new colors of our slimline envelopes, and these have the peel it so you don't have to lick them to stick them. So we have Schoolhouse Red and Dandelion, and these are kind of ketchup and mustard papers to go along with all your fun barbecue foods. We have 4 cardstocks for you in this kit, and that is Simon Says Stamp 100-pound green leaf, black, soft navy, and 120-pound white. And up next, I have some inspiration using the contents of these kits, and I'm going to start off with a card that I created, which is a slimline design, and I have started with the papers at the base. I've used my clouds, sun, some of those stickers, and I also colored the kettle grill and added some ants to my picnic scene. Cindy Norberg created a card which is a shadow box, and she created a circle in the center, and then behind she put those clouds and papers, and then her little picnic table with umbrella in the foreground. Callie Person created an adorable card where she used some ink background, her kettle grill, and then she cut out those barbecue papers and added some little ants at the bottom. And the amazing Susie Plantamera created an entire background using those stamps and colored those all in for an invitation for a barbecue. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our card kit picnic parade. Be sure to check out all of our social media channels for more inspiration, And as always, thanks so much for watching.